What's up, guys? Thanks for joining us. This is Steve from Card Breaking L, and we are doing our team random for our $45 release day trilogy break. Everything is here. We're ready to roll, so let's do this. This is also Gets the Ink break. 7:44 in Newfoundland. We're starting this one at 10 o'clock, I believe. Anaheim to Winnipeg. Tim to Jay, guys. Good luck. 7:44. Just turned 7:45. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. That's not right. All right, time's 10. Time's 10. Time 3 is at 7:45. 7:45 it is. Last and final random. On the teams. We'll copy them over. 4 timestamp there is at 7:45 and 7:45 it is. So let's copy these over. We got Detroit to Winnipeg. Detroit to Winnipeg. And guys, if you hit Minnesota in the draft, if you hit Minnesota in the break, you also get Vegas as a little bonus. Keep it interesting for Minnesota. There's teams. Time to do the names. It is 7:46. Teams, names. Here we go. Tim, Jay, everybody in between. 1, 2, 3. Timestamp. 7:46. 7:46. Last and final. 7:46 and 7:46. Let's copy these over. Alex Harris finished on top of the list. Dylan Green at the halfway mark. And Jay to Jay. All right, guys, here's your teams. We got Alex, Detroit, Tanner, Ottawa, Tony, Vancouver, Patrick, Calgary, Jay, Toronto, Rick, Colorado, Daryl, Boston, Jonathan, Florida, Bobby, Pittsburgh, Ian, Dallas, Jay, Rangers, Brian, Montreal, Jay, Washington, Trevor, Chicago, Dylan, Winnipeg. We got Jay, Carolina, Nick, San Jose, Tim, Slaney, Islanders, Kelly with Columbus, Tom, Anaheim, Dave, Nashville, Mike, Tampa Bay, Rick, St. Louis, Lee, New Jersey, Rick, Arizona, Brian, Edmonton. Jay is Philly, Dana gets Minnesota and Vegas, Mark, LA, and Buffalo, Jay. There's teams. We're live in 2 hours, 15 minutes for this one. See you then. Good luck.